Sri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 2, OV 188. गळूनी जावा वादाभिमान, एतदर्थ हे अभिधान, जेणे आमरण रहावे भान, नित्य निरभिमान असावे. The title was given to me for the very reason that my ego should vanish, and by which I would bear in mind till my death that one should remain humble always. राम दशरथी देव अवतारी, पूर्ण ज्ञानी विश्वासी तारी, अखिल ऋषिगण मानस विहारी, चरण धरी वसिष्ठाचे. Ram, the son of Dashrath, God incarnate, omniscient, savior of the universe, who dwelt in the minds of all the sages, used to fall at the feet of Vasishta. कृष्ण परब्रह्माचे रूपडे, तयासही गुरु करणे पडे, संदीपनीच्या गृही लाकडे, सोसुनी साकडे वाहिली. Krishna, the incarnation of the Supreme Brahma, also had to resort to a guru. At Sandipani's house, he gathered wood and served him, undergoing hardships. तेथे माझी काय मात, वादावादी करावी किमर्थ, गुरुवीण ज्ञान वा परमार्थ, नाही हा शास्त्रार्थ दृढ केला. What am I compared to them? Why should I enter into arguments? There is no knowledge or heavenly bliss without the Guru. This is also confirmed by the Shastras. वादावादी नाही बरी, नको कुणाची बरोबरी, नसता श्रद्धा आणि सबुरी, परमार्थ तिळभरी साधेना. Fruitless arguments are no good, nor should we be competitive. Without faith and patience, salvation is unattainable, even in a slight measure. हे ही पुढे आले अनुभवा, ये रीती या नाम गौरवा, प्रेम पुरसर निज सद्भावा, शुद्ध बोधक समसाम्य. I had experience of this later on. In this way, I accepted with grace this title, which was given to me with love and blessings. आता असो हे कथानक, स्वपक्ष परपक्ष विच्छेदक, वाद प्रवाद निवर्तक, सर्वासही बोधक समसाम्य. Now, let us end this story. Arguments of one side, overpowered by the other side, give rise to heated debates. It teaches all that they balance out one another. असो ऐसे हे ग्रंथ प्रयोजन, अधिकारी अनुबंध दर्शन, ग्रंथकाराचे नामकरण, कथन श्रवण करविले. This is the origin of the book, showing the qualification of the writer and his relationship with Sai, who renamed the author and brought about this narration and made you listen to it. पुरे आता हा अध्याय विस्तार, हेमाड साई चरणी सादर, पुढे यथानुक्रम कथा सविस्तर, श्रवण तत्पर भावेजी. Let me finish this chapter, which is already prolonged. Hemad respectfully bows at the feet of Sai. In due course, the story will be related in details. Please be ready to listen. साईची आपुली सुख संपत्ती, साईचा आपुली सुख संवित्ती, साईचा आपुली परमनिवृत्ती, अंतिम gati Shri Sai. Only Sai himself is our happiness and prosperity. Only Sai himself is our bliss, born out of perfect wisdom. Only Sai himself is our highest renunciation. Our last resort is Sai. साई कृपेची या कारणे, साई चरित्र श्रवण करणे, तेणेची दुस्तर भवभय तरणे, कलिमल हरणे निर्मूल. By the grace of Sai, we will hear the story of his life to enable us to go through this fearful and difficult worldly existence and uproot all evils in this Kali Yuga. स्वस्ति श्री संत सज्जन प्रेरिते भक्त हेमाड पंत विरचिते श्री साई समर्थ सच्चरिते कथा प्रयोजन नामकरणम नाम द्वितीयोऽध्यायः संपूर्णः. श्री सद्गुरु साईनाथार्पणमस्तु. शुभं भवतु शुभं भवतु शुभं भवतु. May there be well-being. This is the end of the second chapter, named The Purpose of the Narration, relating to the recounting of the naming ceremony of Sri Sai Samartha Satcharita, written by the devotee Hemad Pant, impelled by the saints and virtuous people. This is offered to Sri Sadguru Sainath. May there be auspiciousness.